Hello everyone, welcome back. Lego Man Stu here. In this video I'll be opening and assembling the Lego Creator 3-in-1 set 31140, the Magical Unicorn. Yes, it's a cutesy set and probably not my usual sort of thing. I picked up a very good price in B&M because I do remember a conversation with the person behind the till about this. They thought it was a bit odd that I was buying this set. But if you look online, there is a interesting Millennium Falcon build you can do with it as well. I will be attempting that on the channel, or I will be doing the build anyway. I will be attempting that build anyway. But before I do that, I will be doing the 3 builds and the spare parts build first, and I'll definitely be trying the Millennium Falcon build as well. I believe the instructions are on YouTube somewhere. So as you can see, there is method to my madness. But before we go, I would like to thank Derek D for your kind comments on my videos this week. Thank you very much. I've been a bit behind on the recording, actually due to a change of job, which actually limits what time I do have to get stuff done at the moment. But I will endeavour to keep stuff coming through. So like I say, without further ado, I will open up this box. It's a £9. I think it's a £9 or £13 set. It's a good set if you just want the bricks, and the builds are okay. So besides, you might actually learn some other building techniques as well. So it does come with 3 instruction manuals. Put that box over there. We have one for the seahorse, one for the I think it's a white peacock. I think it is. I'm not sure what that's meant to be, and here we have the one for the Magical Unicorn. As we all know, all unicorns are magical anyway. They're so magical that you can only actually see them if you're on the same wavelength with them. So that is the reason you don't see them very often. Open up. There was 3 bags here. 1 big bag and a smaller bag, and this bag here, small bag. So lots of small fiddly pieces. So kind of what you come to expect. There'll be lots of bright colours in this set because it is aimed at 7+, so I should be all right. And they walk you through with a little dot there in the Lego bluey purpley colour, so you're not really getting a shame they can't put a unicorn character in there, but again, that's just one of those little things. First of all, you make the base for the unicorn. So we start off with a white 8x4 semicircle base plate and I'm going to call that purple 5x2 base plate. I'm not sure the exact colour on that, but I am slightly colourblind, so again, please bear with me on stuff like that. And now we have another white 8x4 semicircle plate, goes on there like that, puts those 2 together. 2 white semicircle 2x1 plates. Then we got 2 of the darker purple 2x1 curved roofing pieces. If you watch my videos regularly, you will get used to seeing the my description. You will get used to my description. So next we have 2 light blue 2x1 base plates and 2 orange 2x1 base plates. They go on there like that. They're going to be hidden anyway, so the colour doesn't really matter. Now we have a light blue 2x2 plate with a stud in the middle, and should have an orange 2x2 plate with a stud in the middle. Goes on there like that. Now we have what I might call this mauve, I think. I'm going mauve this time. Mauve 3x2 curved roofing piece. We got 2 orange 3x2 curved roofing pieces. Then 2 more curved roofing pieces, which are, according to the printing, they're slightly different. I'm going to see what the box says. There should be a slightly different colour from these ones, so I think they are. Let's have a look. I think those are more yellow than. And then you've got 2. I've missed a bit. I've missed something out. Whoopsie. Ooh. I thought there was definitely something wrong there, so we have 2 more of these mauve ones that go here. I would say I got excited about the build, but I don't think I can justify that as an excuse on this occasion. Oops. So I'm just adjusting this now. Thought something looked wrong there, but obviously watching this video you won't make the same mistakes I make, so hopefully. You've got 2 of these red 2x1 curved roofing pieces go on like that, so there's your multicoloured base for the unicorn. Now we build the unicorn itself, and we start off with a white 6x4 base plate. Then we have 2 we have 2 pink 2x1 base plates with a female connector piece on them. Then we have 2 pink, light pink 2x4 base plates. Then we have 2 white 2x2 base plates with a female C connector on the longer side. Now we have a white 4x1 brick, 2 white 4x1 base plates, there you go, on there like that, and that's what we got. That's going to be the unicorn's body, obviously. 2 of these yellow 4x1 mini arch pieces. These go in the middle just as support pieces, so they probably get used in other builds. So next we have two white 2x1 base plates with a white cheese piece moulded onto one side. Goes on there like that. Then we got 2 white cheese pieces, which are these ones here. Then we have a, I'm trying to make sure I get the right colour on this, because just by seeing the piece first, that way I can see the white or the pink. I cannot see the brick I'm looking for at the moment, but there we go. Yeah, it's a white 2x1 base plate with a female C-connector on the longer side. Goes on there, on the back there like that. Next you got a white 4x2 base plate with a white 4x1 base plate with a white 4x1 curved brick moulded onto it. So those bits go on there to make the unicorn's body. Now we've got a brick I haven't seen before. It's a white 2x1 base plate with a white 2x1 upside down curved brick moulded onto it so that it's in the middle. Then you've got one of these pink 2x1 base plates. I've got one goes on each side there. Hopefully you can see that. It's very hard to see in this light, I do apologise. That goes on there like that. So that's going to be the unicorn, that's going to be the unicorn's head and neck. Next you've got a pink 4x2 base plate. And now we've got two white 3x2 base plates moulded together with two 2x1 bricks, and they're all moulded into one piece like this. That goes on there like that. Now we make the This will be the bit where the main goes for the unicorn. So we have a pink, a light pink 2x1 base plate, a white 2x1 brick, a light pink 2x1 base plate, then we got two red 1 bricks with a stud on the side, which are these ones here. And a red 2x1 base plate. These three go together like so. Hope you can see those colours. And that goes on there like that. Two of the orange 1 bricks with the stud on the side. There you go, on there like that. Got two of these orange yellow 2x1 2x1 bricks with a curve on one side. Again, I seem to have missed something, so let's have a look. Yeah, she's supposed to put two white ones on there as well, so two white 1 bricks go on here as well, so. I'm kind of hoping the Millennium Falcon build goes better than this. As you can see, you've got that little curve on there now for the neck. Now you've got an orange 2x1 curved brick and an orange 2x1 base plate. Goes on there like that. I also have a red 2x1 base plate. Goes on there. Now you have two red. It's a 1 square stud with a molded onto a 1 brick with a curved top. Goes on there like that. So you've got a nice little curve on the back there. Next you've got a proper Lego brick, nice to see, which is a white 3x1 brick and a purple 2x2 base plate. These go together like so. Like so. I have two of these red 2x1 base plate bricks with a Technic round connector piece moulded onto the one side. Then an orange 2x1 base plate and a white 3x2 right angled base plate, as I call them. Then two more of those white 3x2 right angled base plates. These go on the side like that. Then you have a white 2x2 curved brick, which like that one there. for the unicorn's nose, a white double cheese piece, now we have 2 dark pink cheese pieces which go on the front. Got a pink 2x1 base plate and a pink 2x1 plate with a stud in the middle. Goes on there like that. As you can see, it's starting to look a bit more like a unicorn now. Now we have 2 of these mustard coloured pizza pieces, pizza plates. A mustard coloured 2x1 plate. That goes on there like that. Now you have a 1 square stud with a tooth or craggy bit put on there, and that goes on the side for an ear. And then you have a round 2x2 printed plate with an eye on it. And that goes on there like that. Now we do the same on the other side. There's the eye and the ear again. Some clever building techniques here, so there you go on there like that. Now we do the bottom bit of the unicorn. That is a white 2x2 base plate with some upside down cheese pieces moulded onto the side. Got one of these light pink 2x1 base plates, purple 2x2 base plate, a white 4x4 angled upside down plate, and then a light pink 2x4 plate goes on like that. Then that bit goes on the bottom there for the unicorn, for the underbelly of the unicorn. Now we make the what looks like the front legs of the unicorn. Put the unicorn over there. See if it can do any magic for me. Might improve my Lego building maybe. So we are doing this twice. So I will be doing each instruction twice. So we start off with a white 2x1 base plate with a female connector clip on it. And then 2 of the lighter pink square studs with the female C connector on them. They go on like that. Next we have, or should have, 2 of the white 2x2 2x1 curved roofing pieces. Go on like that. Two of the white 1 square studs with a male connector bar on each side. Two of the, I believe they're white 1 square plates with in the shape of D, or capital D. Go on like that. Now we make the feet, so it's 2 of the grey 2x2 plates with a male connector plate on male connector point on one side instead of studs. Now here we have the 2 front legs of the unicorn. Attach these on like so. We'll leave them like that for the time being while we do the back legs. Now we've got to do this twice as well. So we've got 2 white 4x1 base plates, 2 white 2x1 base plates with a female connector on it. Then a light pink 3x1 base plate. Goes on like that. And we flip them over. So then you should have 2 of the light pink 2x1 upside down curved roofing pieces. And a round stud. So they go on like so. Flip them over again, then you've got a white 2x2 plate with a male connector point on one side instead of a stud. You've got 2 white 3x1 curved roofing pieces. And we got 2, and we do the feet the same way we did them last time. Except we put this semicircle 2x1 grey plate on as well. So it looks like it's got hooves. So we attach the feet on to the bottom clips here. Then we attach the legs onto the back clip, onto those clips on the back there. And as you can see, got a unicorn without a tail at the moment. So It does look okay. Now we've just got to make the tail, put the unicorn here, and it can supervise and just hopefully it can give me some of its magic to help me maybe. So now we've got a blue or a dark blue 4x1 base plate, a dark blue, a lighter blue 2x1 base plate with a male connector bar on it, a blue square stud, and a darker blue 1 square stud with an upside down cheese piece moulded onto it, like so. You can see that a little bit better than you can on the white stuff. Then you've got 2 of these blue 2x1 bricks with the studs on each side, and a blue square stud which goes on there like that. Then you've got the purpley mauve 4x1 base plate. Then you've got the purpley mauve 1 square stud with a one brick with a curved top. Then you've got the purpley mauve 2x1. It's a 1 brick with a curve bit moulded onto the other side, so it's a 2x1 with a curve on it basically. That goes on there. Then you've got a mauve 3x1 plate and a mauve cheese piece. That goes on there like so. And you've got 1 light blue plate, goes on that side there. I have a sneaky suspicion of doing the same on the other side, just looking at the bricks we got left, but soon find out. And then you've got the light blue 2x1 curved plates, then the cheese piece, not the cheese piece, the pizza plate. So it goes on like that. Call it a pizza piece, it's like a quarter of pizza. Then you do the same on the other side. I suspected you did, but I wasn't going to push too far forward on that, just in case. There's got to be one, I think there's definitely one more instruction. Yes, there is. Suspected as much, because otherwise it wouldn't be a unicorn if there wasn't one more instruction. So you've got the unicorn's tail like that, back end's not what it could be, but now we do the horn, which is a golden 1 cone and a golden cone bit or drill bit. Goes on like that, then that goes on top of there like that. And here you have a magical unicorn. According to the Lego instructions, you have a magical unicorn. As you can see, it's not a bad little build. The back end, if you paid more money for it, you'd be disappointed with the back end, but you can't really complain about that because it's becomes a bit of a, I suppose they've got movement on the tail, which is good, but I reckon you can modify the build out maybe just to maybe put something on that side there. So, but overall it's not too bad really though, to be honest with you, for what you're paying for the build and the amount of bricks you're getting, it's not too bad. So you can put your unicorn on there, you can have it doing that thing when horses rear up like that. and put the tail up like that. The head doesn't move, but it's a £9. It's a pocket money set in this day and age. So, and as you can see, it looks alright for what it is, to be honest with you. I will be doing a proper review of it anyway. So, but as you can see, looks alright. It is a nice little build, and if you happen to be a person who likes unicorns, I think you won't be disappointed at the price point and overall. So it's got all the rainbow, got the bright colours on it, so it'll appeal to all the. If you, I would kind of think in a few years' time, my granddaughters will appreciate this, will appreciate a build like this. So I don't really see. I think it looks alright, to be honest with you. So I will be doing a bit more in the review about it. So anyway, hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, do feel free to like, share, and subscribe. I'm on YouTube, Instagram, and Threads, and also post on some Facebook channels. I'd like to thank all the comments and feedback I've had on all that media this week. Thank you very much. I've had some interesting comments on the Facebook as well. I'd like to thank everyone on there who is actually watching, who has actually started watching my channel. It's very much appreciated. If you'd like a shout out on the channel, all you have to do is leave a kind or constructive comment on one of my videos, and you will get a shout out. If you leave a like, just put a thumbs up or smiley face or something like says great video or anything like. I mean, the comment, because YouTube won't actually let see who's liked the videos, unfortunately. But anyway, stay safe, keep building, and if you're one of the magical people who see unicorns, keep enjoying it. Thank you for watching.